When fishing gets slow, going after bait fish is usually pretty easy pickings, so it keeps the motivation and morale up until the bite gets hot again. You know it's time to move on when not even the bait fish are biting. On this trip, oddly enough, we didn't get a chance to hook into any chub. However, we were lucky enough not to wait long before we were catching fish again. Oh, there he is. Dang, you didn't even give my hook a second look.
Ah, yeah. Another splake. Just walked over and jigged his pole for a second. I was actually going to drop it down a little deeper, and then all of a sudden, bam! Another splake!